Today I picked up this Molte chair from Ikea. Let's put it together. We'll start by opening the box here and I'll show you everything that's inside. Right there on top, we've got the instructions, and since it's from Ikea, well, we know those are useless. We'll set those to the side. We've got the base plate. We've got our hardware. We've got the legs that stick out to the side that support the chair. We've got our center post and our other leg here. We'll set this to the side as well. There's our center post. And of course, we've got the cross piece that makes up the bottom of the chair. Okay, we've got everything laid out, which is usually the best thing to do when you get anything from Ikea. And there you go. All of our parts. Let's get started. Real quick though, I always say to put Loctite on Ikea hardware, but it appears that Ikea has taken that upon themselves, and all of these come with blue Loctite already in place. Perfect. We're going to start with our little cross section here, our 4 little leg pieces, and 4 of our screws. Right there. And we're just going to use the little Allen wrench that's included with the set to put it all together. We'll start by taking each leg, slip it into place. Make sure you get it on there correctly. Really only go on one way. There we go. Those are all in place. We flip it over, and as you can see, we've got 4 screw holes. Let's go ahead and get those screws in place. And I'll go ahead and tighten those down using our little Allen wrench here. With those tightened down, it's on to the next step. Flip it over, and what we're going to do is take our center post. Note that it has that slot across the bottom of the post. That slot is designed to line up with that bar in the bottom of our base cross. With that in place, we're going to move on to our base plate here and our plastic part of our chair. Flip the chair over. Notice how the pattern is laid out there. One side is a little further apart than the other side. Just make sure that your base plate lines up the same way. 4 screws, very simple. Get all these lined up. And I'll go ahead and tighten those down again with our little Allen wrench here. The base plate is now solid to the chair. And if you look down inside there, you're going to see 2 little tabs. They kind of go front to back. But just pay attention to where those 2 little tabs are inside of there. That is designed to line up with the top of our seat post. I'll show you that here. As you can see, the top of the seat post there has a little slot across it. Just going to line that up. Slip that in place. You'll kind of feel it seat, but then what you're going to need to do is stand your chair up and push down on it, and it'll lock right into place for you. Now everything's solid. Now you don't have to worry about the chair falling off or slipping off the seat post. You should be able to pick it up, be nice and sturdy. It's not going to slip, slide off there, no worries. Next, we will adjust this seat for height. You push the pin right there, kind of grasp it, and that whole plastic clip and everything comes right out. So with this clip here, you'll be able to adjust the height of the chair. You'll see that it's got a couple different adjustments. I'm going to go ahead and max it out, set it as high as I can, and then you just slip the pin back in, line everything up. It's a little fidgety, but not too bad, and it will clip right into place. Nice and solid. There you go. And essentially, our chair's done. Let's take a look at it. Please keep in mind that this chair does not roll because it doesn't have any wheels and it doesn't pivot or spin in any way, shape, or form. That's it. Our video's over for today. If it helped you assemble your chair, you know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Follow us on Instagram for what projects don't make it to video, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.